England is a nation that has had a significant impact and, in fact, has played an important role in the formation of human beings, civilization for hundreds of years. And in today's video, using digital reconstruction, we journey back in time to explore England's history and uncover what England was like in the Middle Ages.
The time has come. The signs are clear, and the spirits of our ancestors watch over this ground. We fight at dawn. Fresh bread, get your fresh bread here. How much for the loaf?
Only 2 shillings, madam.
Sir Knight, you swear fealty not just to me, but to the realm. Do you accept this charge?
The realm calls for valor. I shall not falter. For honor and the crown!
By the grace of God, I dub thee knight. Arise, Sir Knight of the Realm.
For the High King! Push through the gate! Break the line! Hold the line! Push forward! Charge! By the blood spilled this day, charge forward for the order! For the Red Cross! Push forward, men! Hold the line! Hold the line! Fight with honor! Tonight we rest, but tomorrow we claim victory in the name of the Cross! Push forward! Do not let them through!
the ballista! Fire at will! Hold the shoreline! Incoming! Defend the ramparts!
God wills it. Forward to victory.
The northern gate must hold. Take your positions and defend the keep with your lives.
These apples are the finest in the county, 2 pence a pound.
I'll take £3 if you include the pears.
Fresh apples! Get your fresh apples here. Best price in the market.
I asked for the finest grain, not this chaff.
It is the best I have, sir. The harvest was poor this season. 10 dinar for this barrel of olives.
That is too high. I'll give you 8.
Fresh fish, just caught this morning.
Very good work, child. Your penmanship improves daily.